In this video, I would like to share a 15-minute strategy of Nifty where you can earn money every day in intraday. This is an intraday strategy. To start with, we have to select the time frame as 15 minutes, and the indicator here we need is RSI indicator. Here I'm using tradingview.com. Let me close this and reopen the RSI once again. So this is we select the relative strength index. I will go to the settings and change the upper band as 80 and the lower band as 20. The input, go to input and change the length to 3. You have to remember this. In RSI indicator, we are changing the length to 3 and we are changing the upper band to 80 and lower band to 20. Alright. Now, coming to the strategy. Here, in order to go for a long, that is for buying, we have to see two consecutive 15-minute green candles. For example, here I have two 15-minute green candles, and another condition I am seeing here is the other candle, the other green candle, the RSI should be above 80. But as I see, there are two green candles, but here this is not above 80. So I'll wait. Now the other candle, that is also a green candle. Now this candle, you can see it is above 80. At the close of this candle, I will take a buy call. Alright. Now we can see the price has gone up in the next candle. This is also green candle. Alright. Now I will exit. I will exit my position at the close of this candle, and my stop loss would be at the low of this green candle. Alright, the low is 1428.45. Alright, now this is for buying. Now let us see for selling. We see two consecutive red candles here. Let's see if one of them is below 20. No, they are not below 20. Now I see a position here. Let's see. Are they below 20? No. Yeah, this candle is below 20. But I see a wick. It's a rejection is there. There is a wick that's clearly suggesting me that this may not go down. So I won't take any trade here. Let's see some other day. We are not able to see the selling, the short side of that in this previous days. Now let's see the other days. Yeah, here I got a position. This is a red candle followed with another red candle. At this candle, the RSI is below 20. At the close of this candle, I take a short sell call. Okay, my stop loss would be the high of the previous red candle. Here, the stop loss has hit, but however, the price has fallen down. Okay, so we can take a multiple entries. Say for example, here a stop loss got hit, but again we see another opportunity has come. See, look at this. This is below 20 again. Two consecutive red candles, and the other candle is below 20. It's clearly a rejection can be seen. The wick can be seen here from top side. We'll enter a short sell call here. My stop loss would be this at this candle's high, and I am taking an entry here. and I can exit at this point, or I can wait and exit at this point. So basically it's a 1:1 target. I hope this strategy you have understood, and please do subscribe to my channel to get new strategies. I'll come up with another Bank Nifty 3 minute strategy, which is unique and which will help you to earn good money in intraday. Thank you and all the very best.